Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unthinkable wakangubane. Umkhonto party had a massive turnout this past Saturday for their People's Mandate manifesto at Orlando Stadium, which is a 40,000 seater, and it was full into capacity. Guys, singakhohlwa, MK is only 5 months and yet was able to pull up such numbers. I am happy that the MK leadership chose Gauteng province as their manifesto location and Orlando as the heart of Soweto. Mainstream media such as your SABC, your ENCA, your Newsroom Africa always say MK is only big in KZN. Yini phela le, yini. Gauteng has over 6.5 million registered voters, whilst KZN has over 5.7 million registered voters. Just to show how brilliant and a strategist President Zuma is.
Okay.